Hey everyone, Maki here. So I'm finally back from Japan and I had a really good time there. I spent about 2 weeks going around Tokyo and visited so many places around there. Specifically, I went to Akihabara 3 times and Shinjuku 4, but it's really good to be back. I ran out of money while I was there, so I'm here. I can continue working on new videos and it's gonna be a fun time for all of us. I'm glad to be back though, so I can continue working on these new videos. I'd also like to apologize for not being able to upload last week. I was supposed to edit my Neo 65 video, but I kinda ran out of time before I had to go to Japan, so I couldn't really upload it. So, I'm gonna be working on that Neo 65 review. It should come out sometime next week, or maybe the week after. Who knows how long, but do look forward to that. So today's video is going to be a sponsored review from Keytok. They reached out to me last month asking for me to review some keycap sets, and I did say that I was interested in reviewing one of them. So they sent it out to me and I received it while I was in Japan. I was actually quite excited to come back home so I can work on a video to review these keycap sets. And here it is. Now they did send this to me for free, so as every content creator says, all thoughts and opinions are of my own. It's actually a flex to say that nowadays, so I'm kind of glad I get to do that. Now the keycaps come in this really nice looking box, which I believe is brand new packaging from Keytok, as I've seen the other creator reviews and their package looks a lot different to mine. Turning it around though, we get to see some really interesting information. Here's like a comparison of the different keycap profiles that Keytok has compared to Cherry, as well as some brand new profiles that we haven't seen yet from any of their keycap sets, such as Lamp of God and Smile. Now, this packaging is really cool as it's got this magnetic thing, I'm not sure what to call it, which is just a nice touch from Keytok. It does come with a keycap puller, which is pretty nice, although I'm pretty sure most keyboards come with that nowadays. And opening this up, the keycaps look absolutely amazing. So I received the KOL Pixel from Keytok, and it's got this really cool purple cyberpunk vibe to it, and it definitely looks a lot different to the keycap sets that I use. Now, comparing the two keycap sets, we have the KOL next to the Cherry Profile keycaps. They look a lot taller than the Cherry Profile, and turning it to the side, we see a massive difference. The side of the KOL Profile is transparent. Apparently, they're both PBT. I'm not quite sure about that, but the thickness of the keycaps are relatively the same. Keytok claims that they are some kind of double shot injection with a 5-sided dye sublimation. And I'd say it looks absolutely fantastic on this keycap set. Now I'm going to show you a cool trick I've been learning. So apparently all keycap sets are linked to their spacebar. So by putting them onto the keyboard first and pressing them, you're able to put them on and take them off immediately. So let's try it with the KOL Pixel. It's a bit tricky to put these spacebars on the stabilizers for plate mounts. I don't know why. And there we go, we got them on, and let's see how it sounds. Overall, I'd say that the keycap set definitely sounds a little bit deeper compared to the normal Cherry Profile keycaps that you'd see in the keyboard, but they do have one thing that's going pretty well for them, and it's the fact that the sides are transparent, letting you see some of that RGB in action, and I'd say it looks fantastic. There are only very few downsides to this keycap set, such as the fact that it doesn't support any 7U spacebar layouts of the kind. But this keycap set is only $49 US with free shipping, so I definitely recommend it to anyone who wants a really unique looking budget keycap set. Anyways, that's all I have for this video, so if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and as always, have a golden time.